How to download Summertime Saga on PC and Mac. So it's the same process. You can just open up your browser or Safari, anything that you're comfortable with, search engine, and then you need to simply search for Summertime Saga. Once you search for it, now here you will have Summertime Saga download on the first. So you just need to simply click on it and you need to go with download game option, which is here on the right side. So click on download game or just simply scroll down and here you will have the stable version and the preview version. So you can simply choose any option that you're comfortable with. So I'll just simply go with the first one and then click on download, which is right here. And it will take you to this kind of interface. You can simply go with Windows and Linux if you are using those devices. Or if you want to download it on your Mac, you can just go with this one. And if you're downloading on your Android, you can go with the Android 32-bit, 64-bit, and everything. So I'll just simply go with Windows, which is right here. I'll go with the Mega version. Once you click on it, you'll have the download option right here. So you just need to simply go with the download and it will be downloaded. You just need to simply launch the zip file once it's downloaded and it will ask you if you want to install the application or not and it will be installed. So that's how you can download your Summertime Saga on your PC or Mac, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.